Hey everyone, I am going to be going through our own trailer today and kind of going through what we're going to be doing with our YouTube channel moving forward. And of course, showing our cat here, who's kind of on guard duty at the moment, keeping an eye on the trailer. So as you guys know, with our YouTube channel, we've been doing a lot of walkthroughs of our different trailers and kind of showing you different builds that we've done. And we're going to keep on doing that for sure. We're not stopping that. But we're going to bring in a little bit more of our family and what we're kind of doing today and what we're doing moving forward. Just because it's we built this brand on the family. We're big family people, and we're proud that our company and our trailers were kind of built on that notion that we're all kind of one big family. Even with our owners, we call them My Mini Trailer family members. They're all part of our family as well. So I want to thank you guys for kind of sticking with us on this channel and sticking with us throughout our builds. But we're going to be doing a lot more videos moving forward. So we're looking to do hopefully daily or at least very frequent videos throughout the week. And we're going to start this first video basically of this series of just going through this trailer, and you guys won't believe the options we have on this trailer. This is kind of our own trailer now. We've kind of made it our own, added some of the options that we wanted for it, and you could already tell it is a bright frickin' purple. Now it kind of looks like it has a blue tinge to it in the video, but let me tell you, it's very purple. We added our own roof rack basket to it, which we don't really have it as an option, and we're probably going to be adding that as an option soon. So stay up to date with that. Right in the front, we have a spare tire. Right over there, we got amazing shiny diamond plate. I love this stuff here. We got an AC because basically no one in our family likes the heat. We're fine with the cold. We'll just have a bigger sleeping blanket, but the heat, none of us can stand it. Right here, we got our AC, the inside version of it. We got some shelves, vinyl flooring as well. And over there you could see we got our bunk bed. So that's because we have a little kid, my baby brother. He kind of sleeps up there, so that's why it's a big option for us compared to having a kitchen. We opted for a bunk bed. You can see the back here, pretty plain back, I would say. We're thinking about doing some kind of design throughout the trailer, and we're thinking it might be like a red, kind of like a motif, just going throughout the trailer, because it matches our tow vehicle, which is a red Wrangler. So we're still working on that. We're thinking about what kind of designs we could do to go throughout the trailer. But let us know if you have any ideas you'd want us to try, and we'll try to get a custom wrap for that, I think. Along with the trailer, kind of as a first preview, I want to show you guys our chickens. So they're a big part of our family now as well. Along with our trailers, we also have chickens now, and these are our own family chickens. So we don't sell them, or we don't have any commercial business with them. But these are part of our family as well, and it's a pretty big family at this point because there's 31 of them. And we've got, I believe, 2 or 3 roosters. There's the biggest rooster here, and that little guy with the weird hair. We originally thought that was a rooster as well, just because of the tail. Turns out it's entirely a female, because it laid an egg just 2 days ago. 2 days ago, it laid an egg. So we used to call that one Greg, and it turns out it's not Greg. Here's the rooster. They're all super friendly. We get up and feed them in the morning. We'll probably do some more videos on that. Let's go inside their coop. We're gonna be cleaning up their coop soon. Kind of going through like a beginning of winter cleanup because there's some dust everywhere here, and the ground needs cleaning and all that. But here's the eggs. I think we have 7 of these egg-laying areas, and they're absolutely full, basically every single morning. And there's the baby chickens. We have a little backyard for them. The cat and the rooster getting into a fight. And right here is our quail. They're still super small. They're not the typical Japanese quail. They're actually I think they call them northern quail or something. But I gotta look up the proper name for them. They're not too many in there. They're just a couple. I think there's only 4 or 5. It's a fairly big cage. I mean, we're not sure where we're gonna put them moving forward, but we're kind of just raising them in there for now. They're kind of a new addition because we got these chickens while they're still young, while they're still babies, basically. And you can see they kind of grew next to us and grew pretty close to us. Hey, ladies. That one's a silky. It's a very interesting chicken. It's a white chicken that has black meat. Not just the meat, but like the skin is black and the face is black. It's super odd. I mean, it's not even black. It's almost like a really dark purple. Here's our other baby chickens. And actually, it's not just chickens in here. There's a mix of chickens and guinea fowl. And the guinea fowl are, something new we're trying out. And these guys are all super cute. And they're still small. I mean, they're new members of our family. And excuse the noise, but these things are kind of flapping around in the wind. They're everywhere. We actually put them up. I think the beginning of this week. We put them up because we have one hawk that keeps coming by and basically attacking our chickens. So it's already gotten one of our chicks. It's currently in rehab. One of the chicks. We're working on keeping it healthy and keeping it safe at the moment. So we used to release these guys, and they used to wander and eat on the hill. But until we're sure that this hawk is not going to be coming by, we're kind of just working on scaring it. So we don't want to hurt or injure the hawk because hawks are protected by law. So right now we have basically everything possible to deter this hawk. So just a bunch of these reflectors. They shine in the wind, and they're supposed to confuse the hawk and scare it off. We got a bunch of those spinning things up there too. We don't know if it's gonna work yet. So far, we've been visited every single day by that hawk, and every single day the hawk. We got more spinners here. Every single day that hawk lands right here, and I mean scares the heck out of the chickens. There's 31 chickens. They all start screaming. So it's definitely a concern for us. Hopefully we could protect our chickens going forward and not have them be scared of a hawk landing by. But it's definitely going to be a battle. Some more chickens coming by. So one question that I think you guys will probably be asking is, how many eggs do we get each day? And right now, some of them are still small, so they're not all 100% laying, I don't think. And it's also starting to go into winter, so it's getting cold. But right now we got, I think the maximum we're getting is 24 eggs in one day. So it's a massive number. We love eggs. We have no problem with it. And we're excited about it. This is our first time having chickens as well. So there's the alpha rooster. You can see it's chasing off the other rooster, because something interesting about chickens and roosters, they have like a pecking order is what it's called. But with roosters especially, if there's more than one rooster, typically you're not supposed to have more than one rooster. You know, they typically fight pretty bad. But these have been grown since, you know, tiny chicks. So there's 3 or 4, I think 2 or 3 roosters, and this white guy here is a rooster, and this black chicken is a rooster as well. And we have another one of him as well, which kind of is more bluish. But this rooster is the alpha chicken, and you could tell that because it's the only one that's eating. And once it stops eating, that other white chicken will come back and it will eat. And then the other big black rooster that we have will also come back, and he will eat as well. So only the alpha chicken, you know, an alpha rooster, in a sense, is allowed to eat here. And once he's done eating, then the other roosters will come by and will, you know, eat himself. So yeah, this is our, you know, kind of our new thing that we're working on. This is, you know, along with our trailer builds and along with progress videos and stuff. I want to do more of these, you know, family style videos. I really want to know what you guys think. If, you know, what do you guys think about the camera quality, the audio quality? It's kind of gonna be like a work in progress. So we're gonna be updating stuff and, you know, changing the camera, changing the audio if necessary. Basically, as you guys give us feedback. So definitely let us know if you guys like what you see and, you know, enjoy these videos. More chickens coming down. If you enjoy these videos, definitely like them, subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be doing a lot more of you know, trailer walkthroughs and kind of just walking through what we're doing. So I'll see you guys, and you can see he's chasing up the other rooster. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video I plan on doing a walkthrough of what we have planted on the hill for fruit trees. So we have a couple fruit trees that we planted. So I'm going to show you guys that. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.